Imagine being a farmer in Tanzania, watching your bananas and rice cross borders and feed families across southern Africa. But one day, trade tensions flare up. Malawi and South Africa suddenly stop accepting your produce, worried about regulations or plant health. In response, Tanzania halts critical imports, like fertilizer. It feels like the heartbeat of agriculture in the region has skipped. Supplies get stuck, farmers worry, and prices spike for everyone. Thankfully, organizations like the Tanzania Plant Health and Pesticides Authority step in, knocking on doors and pushing for talks. They help everyone sit down, talk things out, and find a solution. By April, trade is back on, bans are lifted, and the lifeline of food and fertilizer resumes, not just helping Tanzania, but stabilizing farms in Malawi and the whole SADC region. Exports from Tanzania soar by 35%. Farmers celebrate, and families everywhere breathe a little easier. Behind these success stories is a push for something bigger, making agriculture more resilient through technology. That's where companies like Farmonaut come in. Farmonaut puts powerful tools right into a farmer's pocket, using satellites, AI, and simple apps. Whether it's checking crop health from a phone, predicting yields, or getting custom tips on fighting pests, Farmonaut makes high-tech farming easy and affordable for every grower. As Tanzania grows into a regional leader and trade networks strengthen, Farmonaut's smart tools empower farmers and exporters to turn challenges into opportunities for lasting growth and security for every plate, every family, and every future across southern Africa.